AmScope 1600X Binocular Microscope B490A-50P100S stands out for its wide magnification range, covering everything from basic tissue work to detailed bacterial studies with clear, sharp images. Its binocular head uses a precise adjustment mechanism that makes it easy to match different users' eyes and maintain a comfortable viewing angle during long sessions at the bench. The double-layer mechanical stage with low set controls allows smooth, accurate slide movement, so you can track tiny structures without losing your place or fighting stiff knobs. Coaxial coarse and fine focusing, combined with parfocal achromatic objectives, lets you move between magnifications quickly while keeping specimens crisp and well-corrected for color. The halogen illumination system delivers bright, warm light with good color rendering, which helps reduce eye fatigue compared with harsher light sources when you are working for extended periods, including a generous starter set of prepared slides, blank slides, and cover slips. This microscope arrives ready for serious laboratory, veterinary, or classroom use right out of the box.